Hello and welcome to the Pips Pilots channel. Welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. This is a Valentine's Day gift. So yes, I'm back with my 100 test videos and I'm going to be resuming this fully for you today, okay, which is the 14th of February. So it's a great Valentine gift from me to you. Hope you're having good time. Hope you're having fun time with your loved ones. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around and for trusting me to deliver. So yes, we're going to be testing this particular strategy I'm going to be talking about. We're going to be testing it for 100 trade to see how profitable it's going to be. Yes, this is an FTMO strategy which I saw on YouTube some time back. So I saved it in my archive and I said I was going to show it to the community and see if it's going to be profitable for us or not. So from now on, what I'll tend to do is to go into different MTMO strategies on YouTube, find them, watch the video, look at the rules and see if I can test them for 100 trade to know if they're going to be profitable for you guys in the community or not. So if you have also other strategies you want me to test out, please let me know in the comment and I will definitely do that for you. I don't want to really waste much time on this video, so I'm going to go straight right on to this one. If I'm talking too fast, let me know. If I'm talking too slow, let me know. Okay, so for this one, it's quite easy. What we are going to be needing is 2EMA. You might need just one, but I just like to have two on my chart for some particular reasons. Okay, so the first one is this blue EMA you see here, which is the 100 exponential EMA, which is the most important EMA you need for this strategy. And the second one, which is orange down below, is the 200 exponential moving average. So what is the strategy? Yes, the strategy is simple. What we are looking for is the cross down. Okay, we're looking for the cross down just like this. So we're looking for this cross down. Okay, and then we are looking for a retest and a touch of the 100 EMA. All right, we want to see the touch of the 100 EMA like so. Okay, so now that we have that touch here, you see the candles are touching the 100 EMA. What then you want to do? Yes, this strategy, you have to start with the 30 minutes. You come to the 30 minutes and wait for that touch. So now we have the touch and we'll just mark that out. If you're using TradingView Premium, you'll be able to set this as an alert. Say you set an alarm for, let's say, once the candles touch the 100 EMA, you should get an alert, email alert, and definitely you will get that. Okay, so now that we have this candle touching the blue 100 EMA and we've signed that out, we've highlighted the area where that touch occurred. All right, this was the area where the touch occurred. Now we want to go down to the 50 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is the 50 minutes time frame. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to let that load. Okay, so when I'm getting to the 50 minutes, what you're going to notice is that 100 EMA touch on the 30 minutes actually means on the 50 minutes it should be touching the 200 EMA, which we can see right about now. Okay, so you can see how cool this strategy is. You can see about now is touching the 200 EMA, and that is the trick. Once you go over from your 30 minute chart to your 50 minute chart, highlighting the touch on the 100 EMA on the 30 minute chart, you're going to find out when you come down to the 50 minute chart, that candle is actually going to be touching the 200 EMA. And yes, this is where you want to enter your trade. Okay, but for me, I would have entered just here once I get that touch, but it's best for me to use an extra strategy, and that is where my very profitable MACD strategy comes in. Okay, this MACD strategy helps me to place my trade because just entering by the touch might either be a problem for me because my go out and I might just lose that trade. So what I usually would do is wait for the touch, highlight the touch and come down to the 50 minutes, which you can see from the 30 minutes, and just wait on this cross. As you can see, based on the MACD rule, if you've not watched my MACD video, make sure you go back and watch that. We need to have that cross above the line, the zero line, and the cross downward, the blue crossing the orange downward for a sell. And remember, it has to follow the 200 rule, the 200 EMA rule, and this did just that. So now if I place a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 just on this candle, okay, on this candle here, if I did that and I place that trade, Trust me, if we looked at it on a 1 to 1.5 scale, I would have won that trade for 1 to 1.5, and I would have definitely won that for a 1 to 2. Okay, that is the first one. So now if we go back to the 30 minutes time frame, I'm going to show you one more example. I would like to use a buy this time. Okay, I like clear charts. I like a clear chart, so I just want to find a buy signal this time so that you understand it for yourself. Okay, yes, this is a good example. We had, let me just move this up a bit. So we had that break upwards. All right, we had the break upwards and we had the touch. As you can see, we had a break. Okay, and we came back to touch it with the wicks, as you can see, and then all I have to do is to mark it. Remember, if you have premium for TradingView, you would have set an alarm, so you had that touch just about here. Now I'm guaranteed if I go down to the 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to be seeing that touch on the 200 EMA. So let's do that. We'll move back to the 15 minutes time frame. Yes, this is the trade. Like you can see here, this is the 200 EMA. Let's move that up a bit. This is the 200 EMA, and what happened, we had the candle retrace back to touch it with the wicks. Okay, and then what happened, we had a push back up. Also, now looking at our confirmation MACD, like I said, watch the video if you've not watched that. It's on the channel. I would link it up in the cards at the end, so make sure you watch to the end so that you can see that if you don't want to keep searching down the channel. Okay, so what did we have? We had the zero line, we had the EMA, the MACD line crossing over, and then the blue line crossed above the orange line, and there signaling a buy trade because the 200 EMA is below the candles, which means we're in an uptrend. So I can go for a buy just here, and if I took a buy here just at this cross, targeting a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2, okay, so that would be 1.5 there. I would have won that, and I would have won this for a 1 to 2. Full trade, easy strategy, so it says, but if I don't test it 100 times, I will never know if it's going to be profitable long term. So that's what the channel is about. So now I'm going to go over and test this strategy 100 times and give you the result at the end. So please make sure you are watching to the very end to know if this strategy is going to be profitable for you or not. So I'll see you at the end of the 100 tests. Guys, welcome back to this video. Yeah, I'm going to give you the result after taking this strategy for 100 trade. The results are quite promising, as you'll see when I start calling out the numbers. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to go straight right onto it, and I will tell you straight away, you need good money management, because we lost 7 trades in a row, but we also won 9 trades in a row. For a beginner, if you're just seeing this strategy, you'll be like, no, me losing 7 trades in a row means this strategy is not worth it. But remember, in trading, it's all about money management. In the long run, after 100 trade, using a 1 to 1.5 win reward ratio, I was able to rank in about 60% win rate with this strategy. And trust me, if you ask a professional trader, I will tell you 50-55% win rate on a strategy is definitely a keep. So if you want to check out the strategy for yourself, make sure you watch this video from the beginning again and practice it for yourself. It's quite easy, quite simple. This is an FTMO strategy I saw. I'm going to be looking for more and testing them for 100 trade. If you enjoy this kind of video, let me know down in the comment. Thanks for watching this. I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed.